And direct flights between Kenya and the US could begin as early as next year as the government uses allies to lobby the US government to grant access. Following the US-Africa Summit, Transport CS Michael Kamau says the government has received support from 3 US firms to lobby for regulatory clearance from American aviation authorities. This could be a major boost for the country, with the process having taken close to a decade. Charles Gitonga has the details of this story.
The US-Africa Summit held in Washington, D.C. last week came with a basket full of goodies for the 40 head of states and business leaders who were in attendance. For the Kenyan delegation, establishing fruitful partnerships for the aviation industry was an agenda they could not afford to miss. Kenya's dream to have direct flights to the US could soon come to life after Delta Airlines, Boeing and General Electric agreed to lobby for regulatory approval, adding fresh impetus to the government efforts over the years.
If the president of Boeing and the president of Delta and General Electric are working with us, I think it makes it much more easier for us.
According to the CS, the Kenyan delegation had productive talks with the US Federal Aviation Authority and Transport Safety Authority about upgrading Jomo Kenyatta International Airport to FAA's Category 1 status. This is required of all airports before they can have direct flights into the US. As a result, an evaluation of JKIA will kick off in October, and upon conclusion, will open doors for direct flights by early next year.
We are looking forward and hoping that by early next year, we should have a direct flight into the US, either by Kenya Airways or by Delta or any other airline.
America's Transport Safety Authority has been working with the Kenyan government towards improvement of security at East Africa's largest airport. These have seen the government invest 1.3 billion shillings towards acquiring high-tech security systems for their facility. Over the years, security concerns have seen airlines deny the opportunity to invest in this potential growth market. The achievement of Category 1 status of JKIA is therefore the much-awaited development that will also boost trade and tourism. Charles Gitonga, KTN Business.